Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Candy Crush Saga profile picture. So if you also want to change Candy Crush Saga profile picture, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Candy Crush Saga application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the application has been opened, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, Play and My Account. Simply tap on the option My Account. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to your account interface. Or if you do not find this option, you can also simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for My Account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see your profile picture. Also, you'll be able to see your username and email over here. You can always edit your username and email. But if you want to change the profile picture, for that you'll be able to find the camera icon at the bottom right corner of your profile picture. This option may not be available for all the users. Candy Crush is currently working on the player profile feature, and as a consequence, some players do not have the option to change their profile picture at the moment. So if you have that option, simply tap on the camera icon. After that, you'll be able to update the profile picture. Otherwise, you'll not be able to change the profile picture at the moment. But if you have the option, go ahead and tap on the camera icon. After that, you'll be able to change the Candy Crush Saga profile picture. So that is how you change Candy Crush Saga profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.